Look at their clean cage. Look at that. That's what we did. We cleaned the cage. Look at that. Spotless. Spotless. And Popcorn, let's see how she's doing. Let's see how Popcorn's doing. She's still on the swing. Angel's acting the same. Popcorn, look at the pretty baby. You're okay, mamas. You're okay. She's still upset. So I put the birdie pole. See? That's the birdie pole. Attaches to the door. Hopefully they get in it. They're gonna get used to it, and then one day, boom, they're gonna be in it. But they got their clean cage.